Welcome. Unboxing Gemmove Multi-Ionizer for shower. So let me show you what's inside. It's by Gemmove brand, and there is a brochure. As you can see, it's US FDA certificated product. Every year the certificate renews, and you can see what's inside, how to put it together. It's actually a book for all the ionizers, and there's a pair of gloves. It's multi-ionizer gloves. If you're planning to share the shower with others, each person needs their own gloves. And this is the head, and as you can see, it's plastic, so it's semi-consumable. So if it's hit or dropped, it could crack, but you can replace the head for $60. However, this yellow part is the multi-ionizer. The gauze is guaranteed to get reduced only by 1 within 100 years. So it doesn't break easily, and you do not need to replace it when you replace the head. And this is how you put it together, and you need a long hose and install it. Thank you.